So I'm going to be starting off with this light brown as my transition shade. Then I'm going to be going into my pure eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be popping in that brown shadow just to contour my eyes a little bit. Into my revealed palette by Coastal Scents, I'm going to be taking the darkest brown that I have, and I'm going to be popping that into the crease and to the outer corner of my eyes just to make them pop a little more. I'm going to be taking this bronzy highlight from my Urban Decay highlight palette, and I'm going to be using this as my blending shade. Before I apply my eyelashes, I like to put on a little bit of mascara, and I'm going to be using the Tarteist by Tarte mascara. Lashes, I really recommend you guys going for something a little softer, not too dramatic, because this is not a very dramatic look. It is just a very soft and subtle cut crease. For my bottom lashes, I always like to use two different mascaras. I like to use one for my top lashes and then another one for my bottom lashes. I'm going to be using a very small sample size of their real mascara simply because I love how the mini wand makes the bottom lashes look. So I'm going to be going in with Laura Mercier's HD foundation. This foundation gives me the perfect amount of coverage, and I also don't have to be worrying about smudging my makeup all over my date. Bad breakout? Don't worry, I got you. So the only thing you need is green concealer. Go ahead and put that over top whatever spot you have, and after you do that, go ahead and cover that with some foundation, blend that out, and go ahead and set it with some powder, and voila, it's done. I'm going to be setting my under eyes with this yellow powder from my Selfie palette. I love setting my eyes with this because it does cancel out my dark under eyes. For the blush, I recommend you guys going with something a little bit lighter and not so dramatic. I'm going to be using this powder pink blush. Then I'm going to be going in with a pink highlighter just to set a little bit of more of the pink mood. Since it is Valentine's Day, come on, what are we gonna do? Just hold hands and sing the ABCs? You know you're gonna be kissing your boo. So, of course, you wanna make sure your lips are very soft and kissable. So I'm going to be going in with my Lush Honey Scrub. So I'm going to be using the Ellen Tracy Lip Duo. So that is it. That is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! I struggle with this. My hand is like hell. Ah! Oh crap. Fuck, I keep pushing record. Oh, I keep pushing record. A fucking course credit. I just pushed record for the 500th time.
Be part of yourself.